Welcome to Dronelink. Let's fly a waypoint mission using the On-the-Fly functions. Let's connect our drone. This is a good time to remember to force close the DJI app if you haven't already done so. Wait for the button to turn green to show it's ready, and then click on the lightning bolt to access the On-the-Fly functions. On-the-Fly functions allow you to create missions in the field by using the drone position as input. Let's select Waypoints to start planning a waypoint mission. Waypoints creates a multi-waypoint mission and automates the camera movements between waypoints. You can now take off manually and fly to the beginning of this mission. Position the drone and the camera ready for the first waypoint. And once you're ready, click Get Started, and if you're happy with the framing, click Mark. Then we'll fly to one or more other waypoint locations and select Mark at each of those locations. Only the positions where you press Mark are actually recorded, so any interim movements where you're setting up the framing are not relevant. The list of locations that you've marked will appear on the right hand side, and if you add one by accident, you can always remove it by clicking on the little garbage can next to it. When we're done, we can select Next, where we'll configure other options. And this is where you set up things such as the media type you want to capture, how fast you want the drone to fly, whether you want curved or straight lines, the framing of the mission, which by default is set based on the drone heading and gimbal angle that you used when you set up the waypoints, whether you want to fly backwards or forwards through the mission. And also, this is where we'll now give the mission a name that we'll be able to find later. Once we're happy with all the inputs, we select Continue to generate the mission. And then press the play button to begin the mission.
3, 2, 1. Starting mission.
Make sure that you are in P or GPS mode before hitting play. At any point during the mission, you can select Pause to take control of the drone.
Mission stopped.
Just select Start again to resume the mission.
3, 2, 1. Starting mission.
The resume path will show as a purple line on the map preview. The drone will fly to the first waypoint, get in position, frame the shot, and start the video capture automatically. Use the map preview on the bottom left to see where the drone is along the path. When the mission is complete, the media capture will end and Mission Accomplished will pop up. Return to home either flying manually or using RTH. Once you've flown a mission, you can review any previously completed missions by selecting the Mission History tab at the bottom. You'll then have the option to run this again. And if you open Dronelink in a browser and go to the same tab, then you have the option to open and edit the mission and save it as a mission for future use.